Greetings, I'm David from Australian Air Safaris and we're thrilled to launch our 2025 Air Tour Guide. Inside you'll find 26 tour options with over 70 departures from Melbourne, Sydney and the Gold Coast. Our tours take you to iconic destinations such as Kangaroo Island and the Kimberley, as well as under-the-radar treasures such as Finnis River in the Northern Territory to Flinders Island in Tasmania. Each tour is fully escorted by our exceptional pilots and professional guides, ensuring you get the most out of every experience. Why drive the long distances when you can fly in our premium aircraft where everyone enjoys a window seat? You'll cut down on travel time and enjoy the ever-changing landscapes of Australia from above. Click on the link below to order our 88-page free colour brochure and start getting excited about your 2025 Air Safari.